In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn page sideways Microsoft Word. Rotating a page to a horizontal layout, also known as landscape orientation, can make a big difference when working with wide tables, charts, or images that don't fit comfortably on a standard vertical page. Whether you want the entire document sideways or just a single page, this tutorial will guide you through the process clearly and step by step. To begin, open your document in Microsoft Word. Take a moment to decide whether you want the landscape orientation applied to the whole document or just a specific page. This decision will determine the method you use. If your goal is to turn the entire document sideways, simply go to the Page Layout tab at the top of the screen. In the Page Setup group, click on Orientation and then select Landscape. Immediately, all the pages in your document will shift to a horizontal layout. This is a straightforward approach that works well for documents that are primarily wide content, like charts, images, or large tables. If you only need one page to be rotated, the process requires a slightly different approach using section breaks. First, place your cursor at the very beginning of the page you want to rotate. Then, go to the Page Layout tab, click on Breaks, and under Section Breaks, select Next Page. This action creates a new section starting on the page you want to turn sideways, separating it from the rest of the document. Section breaks are essential because Microsoft Word applies layout settings by section, allowing you to have different orientations within the same document. After inserting the section break, click anywhere on the page you want to rotate. Return to the Orientation option in the Page Layout tab and select Landscape. Now, only this page or section will be in landscape orientation. If the following pages should remain vertical, place your cursor at the beginning of the next page. Insert another Next Page section break, and switch that section back to Portrait. This ensures that only the selected pages are turned sideways, while the rest of the document stays in the original layout. This method is particularly useful for reports, spreadsheets, or any content that needs extra horizontal space to display clearly. By using section breaks, you gain full control over which pages are rotated, keeping your document organized and professional. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.